everyone, if you're getting an SSL certificate error while browsing the web on Windows 11, here's exactly how to fix it step by step. Open the Start menu, type Internet Options, and click on it. In the new window, go to the Advanced tab. Scroll down to the Security section. Uncheck the boxes for Check for Publisher's Certificate Revocation, Check for Server Certificate Revocation. Click OK to save and close the window. Step 2. Change security level and add Trusted Site. Open Internet Options again. Go to the Security tab. Select Internet and make sure the level is set to medium-high, not high. Click on Trusted Sites, then click on Sites. Type in the website that's showing the SSL error and click Add. Click Close, then OK. Step 3. In the search bar, type Date and Time Settings and click on it. Turn Set Time automatically off, then turn it back on. Scroll down and click on Sync Now to manually sync the time. Finally, restart your PC, and the SSL certificate error should now be fixed. If this helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.